once again, you're back here with the whole kit and caboodle, and no thanks. I've never been one good on heights, but they're getting ready to string up the rebarring for the roof for the cement pour, and I give these guys credit. That's amazing. As I was saying yesterday, the guys are going to be doing this on the roof. They're assembling the columns now. If I zoom in, you'll already see in parts of it, it's already been laid in the front. You can see it, okay? So, hats going off to these guys. Absolutely phenomenal team, and just to set up your workstation on the roof and do it that way, I'm floored. Very impressed. I'm just waiting to meet up with some folks, and thought I would take a picture for my own records of the house from the other side. And while they're doing the roof columns out of the rebar, I just really don't do any pictures from this side. It really amazes me the absolute doing these columns up here on the roof like that, assembling them and then installing them. Take my hats off to these guys. They're a good crew. Well guys, you're here on a beautiful clear Sunday, about 11:30 a.m. and it sure is looking that a good part of the Sahara dust has passed us as we come into the ocean. Let's see Diamante, now you can see the mountains, the background, everything of that nature, and looking pretty good for a Sunday. I just wanted to bring it back and show you guys the roof in terms of the laced in rebar, and the columns, I'll zoom in a little bit, are now ready on the upper portion, okay? That is nice work. I'm not going up there, but I could see it good from here. I got binoculars too. And what else I can tell you is they're working on the front one. Then comes the pour, okay? So we're keeping you in the loop, and hope your Sunday's as pleasant as ours is. Alright, you're here on a Monday with Barry. Here you have it, and there's Maestro Keko, just doing a final look of a couple of videos, a little bit of inspection work, and everything's laced once he gives me the okay. The next will be, and I didn't even think of it, but we have floodlights going up there too for things like that. So next, tomorrow in comes electric. By Wednesday, Thursday, even though I'll be picking up people coming to visit us again, by Wednesday or Thursday, they'll be doing the pour, okay? So right on schedule. And Keko is, honest to God, my God, am I so fortunate to have him part of this team. We're just thoroughly pleased. Anyway, it's a great Monday, and it's hard to say that about a Monday, but this one is great. Talk to you soon. Like I said, folks, there's no way you're getting me up there. I can take depths, okay? I was a pretty reasonable diver in my day, scuba. But when it comes to heights without a guardrail, I get dizzy, and I always have my whole life. I guess I'm not the only one. It's apparently pretty common. But anyway, glad we got Keko, but he's inspected every stitch. I mean, this is so above and beyond. I'm actually running out of things I could say about it. Anyway, Leanne and I are smiling. Hey guys, you're here with Barry, and a bit of excitement today because my goodness, it is the pouring of the cement, just like they said, Wednesday and Thursday. You see how it's a little bit thicker there? I'll zoom in. Sorry about the finger. There. See? It's thicker. It doesn't run. And also they're using a special kind of dirt that was donated to us by a very close good friend. And everybody's out there, and Chago's making sure everything goes. There's the only contractor and the head engineer, and they're making sure every bucket is mixed right and everything is spread to their satisfaction. A big day for us, and I'm really happy to be out here. Just midday. We'll come back later on today. There's our man on the road. Chago's still there. They're going to be close to finish here soon, but they're going to stay up into the evening until they finish. And that's pretty unreal. These guys are awesome. Take a look at this ancient equipment these guys are using, okay? Yeah, I just wanted to film this, guys, okay? So there, the bucket tilts, fills up, climbs up the scaffolding, and look at the wood scaffolding these guys made on the roof for transporting, okay? It's amazing. I'm gonna wait till they put one up. Here it goes. Okay? Bucket full after bucket full. That's how it's done. And I take my hat off to these guys because there's no way I'd be able to do that in the sun all day long and to be up on a scaffold like that, okay? I really do take my hat off to these people. And my guy is up there, and I can't thank him enough for going above and beyond. Like I say, guys, they're just... I'm doing this from ground level now, and this is a really exciting day for us. I know it's just a roof, but the thing is, it's our new roof, and it's amazing how much they've done in one afternoon. Can't believe it. Anyway, saying hi to Junior. Junior, baby! La dia es grande. Perfect. We're going to keep you in the loop here, and we'll talk soon. Big day for us. Got to say hi to everyone. Bye. Pretty wild, eh? No matter how you want to look at it. Look at the scaffolding they're wheelbarrowing on that they've made this morning. That will be coming down tomorrow morning. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, we're really fortunate to have a super crew. There we go. Just figured because of the sun it might even be better from another angle, and I wanted to see how much more they had to do. These guys are going to be finished tonight. It's hard to believe it, but they're going to be finished tonight. We'll keep you in the loop. Bye.